Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I've noticed a lot of students are having problems submitting assignments and they're coming up blank and they know they've done the work or something. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to do this. First thing you're going to do, you're going to open the assignment. You only need to open it one time, okay? Once you open the assignment, you can either write on it in here if you want, or you can click this up here and it will open a larger copy of it. Once you do that, once you finish this, you need to come back into Canvas, make sure that the information is here in this part of the paper, in this part of the assignment, and then you click submit over here. If I have graded your assignment, there will be comments. If you got anything wrong, they will be marked. And you will have a comment telling you that you can resubmit after you've corrected it for a higher grade. Same thing applies. Once you go back into it through grades like I've already shown you. You correct it in the field and then you hit resubmit. That way we don't have 1,700 of them floating around. Now, if you've started it and you didn't get it finished because you had to go to another class or whatever, and you want to go back to it, instead of opening a new one, which is what will happen if you come over here again, go back into My Drive, and you will find it in your drive over here. Now, to find your drive, the easiest way to do that is to open a new tab. Come over here to what we lovingly refer to as the waffle. You're going to click on that and you're going to find your triangle that says Drive. Once you click on that, it will open up your Google Drive. And you may have folders, you may not. It depends on how you've set yours up. You'll notice I have a lot of folders set up for mine for different things. But it will be down here as a list, either as a PDF or a Google Word assignment or a Google Docs assignment or a Google Sheets assignment, something like that. That's what these different icons mean. If you have problems, please come into the classroom during office hours, either during learning time, during synchronous office hours, or during asynchronous time when you're working on your own, and let me help you find it so that you can get it turned in. Okay? Have a great day, and if you need me, reach out to me in the office. Bye.